Intergovernmental Authority on Development-IGAD is calling for a united regional response in the management of desert locust and other transboundary pests. Each IGAD member state has been urged to harness innovative technologies such as the use of drones, satellite monitoring systems to increase vigilance, as well as digital data collection tools for transboundary pest surveillance, monitoring and control operations.
The erratic weather patterns, a consequence of climate change, are making it increasingly difficult for our agricultural communities to plan and safeguard their livelihoods, leading to crop failures, food shortage, and as well as displacement.
Regional agricultural development enhances resilience against climate shocks and economic fluctuations. Furthermore, promoting regional collaboration in agriculture drives innovation and improves productivity. They will facilitate international collaboration, align policies across borders, and enhance our understanding of the impact of climate change on pest dynamics.